Shah Abu Taraab MPA to please move his resolution. This is the last resolutions.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Shukriya Speaker Sahab. This House takes serious note of the recent controversy arising out of the internal High Court transfers, particularly in relation to the Islamabad High Court, which has raised important constitutional questions regarding the independence of the judiciary and the security of the tenure of judges under the Article 200 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. This House reaffirms that any process of transfer of judges must strictly adhere to constitutional requirements of consultation, transparency, and the free consent of the concerned judges, and that the independence of the judiciary is essential for the enforcement of rule of law and constitutional supremacy. This House resolves that all constitutional authorities concerned shall ensure that any inter-High Court transfer of judges is carried out strictly in accordance with Article 200 of the Constitution, in a transparent, consultative, and constitutionally compliant manner, safeguarding the independence, dignity, and institutional integrity of the superior judiciary. Thank you.
Honorable Minister Law, چونکہ